Hey guys, today we're gonna carve some pumpkins. Let's get started.
I can't wait to cut. Dad!
What about it?
Dad, look at this man. He's peeing on our garden. Man's peeing on our garden. We got a man peeing on our garden.
See his pumpkins? So beautiful. Oh, careful. I don't know where I'm going because it's too hot. Okay. Well, look at this. My pumpkin face. Well, I'm gonna do it as what pumpkins look like. But this is super amazing.
Oh.
I'm just doing a thumbnail style. Okay. Well, that's a beautiful pumpkin face I did.
What about mine?
Let me see. Did a bee came back? Let me see. Oh, whoa! Sorry.
How's it looking? That's blood.
Yeah, that's his blood. That's just his blood. That's a beautiful face,
Amtrak Maddie, how about you start cutting that pumpkin up?
I'm okay.
Mine's good.
Wait.
I
This
like
is
to
shadow
marry this
someone.
guy. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, whatever. I'll just start carving. Done. This I drew the pumpkin face. I carved out the pumpkin face and make it look more like a pumpkin. Isn't it beautiful? It's so beautiful, right? Really? You better like it. You better like it. I'm sorry. But it's so beautiful. Now look at this pumpkin. You know, I think this one's more better. This is a fun day of carving pumpkins. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, was your favorite part of the video, and subscribe. See ya!